Flexible fibro, jemput nam ta ki result ki bapen mi lambak MPSC Media Public Service Commission te ki don artali ki result ki bapen mi ka khandai bat arpo tarik jom nai September dengan page ini ki result kane ko we ga result of the screening test untuk bat exam to the post of assistant public prosecutor in the office of the Directorate of Prosecution Media October 2023 kemudian pa ki apply advertisement how arjar apply held on the 4th June. Exam kade South June Ajar Sau is hereby declared. The candidate bearing the following roll number are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. Kini ki roll number kad ar live san, sepak kad way, sepak rup way, sepak live pra, sepak nuk kandai, sepak rup way, sepak rup san, sepak nyup way, sepak rup lai, sepak kene pra, ar sepak pra, ar pra, bat ar South san. The personal interview will be held on the 24th October 2024 at 10:30 am in the office of the MPSC. Candidate bearing the above roll number are to download their intimation letter from the commission website. Kini ki bala qualify, kin sa download hi ya kata intimation letter na po ka commission website. Sa kawaipat, kanya pada kadega result of the interview for the post of statistical assistant at the office of the chief engineer public health engineer Meghalaya, Shillong, November 2019. Kanya pada apply nya 2019, conduct the exam how can use tambah ajar pesau. Is hereby declare the name of the successful candidate recommended by the commission in order of merit is as follow. Shri down to Jingjang R Sangma naka unreserved category. Etang ini artali jingjang patip. Kufleshuan.